Now, Barry Solomon here, aka Solo One. If you are part of my music tribe and you are listening to this video on your phone, most of you are going to be on your phone watching this video. However, I recommend you look at this video on a larger screen, a tablet or your laptop or even your home TV screen. I would advise you to look at this on a larger screen. Disclaimer. Number one, anything that you purchase using my link referred by, I'm going to get a piece of it, which means I'm going to get a commission. Full disclosure. Number two, disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. Use your own legal firm, accounting firm, anything that you want to use to make financial decisions. I'm simply sharing with you what I'm a part of, and I'm inviting you to join me. Now, in the email that I sent you, you'll be looking at this page. What you're going to do, fill out your first name, your last name, your company name. If you want to know if you should put your company name or your legal government name, whatever you want to call it, click on that I right there, and it'll tell you what that is. Put your email, put your password, confirm your password, and then continue. Now, once you set up your account, you'll see something that looks like this. UMPA, United Precious Metals Association. I believe I got that right. Yeah. Don't quote me. But Precious Metals Association, the U, I believe, is United. What you're going to do is you're going to click on Login. Now that you're getting into the precious metals business and you're getting out of the system, this is your opportunity now. Or you want to level up your precious metals game, gold and silver. I would go into details, however, that is for another video. Now, anyway, log in. Right here, I'm going to click login. Next, once you log in, you're going to see your dashboard. You see this little gray guy? I don't know. I tried to, there's no way currently to change that image. So for now, everybody is the gray, no face man. Now, look right here where it says name, birth date, entity name, username, address, referral link. You see that referral link? You are automatically going to have a referral link when you set up your account through my link, which is this. That's my link. When I emailed you, remember? Now, this right here, this is going to be your link. You're going to copy it, and this is the link you're going to share with your family and friends because you're so excited that you're getting in the gold game now, and you don't have to buy a 2,000 something ounce gold coin. You can do it on a smaller scale and still have gold in your wallet. So that's what you're going to use this link for. Friends and family, people you meet, even small businesses right down the street from you that you go to all the time, like the cleaners, the laundromat, the whatever, the bakery. You can use this link and give those businesses this link, and they can sign up their business. Well, there's a little bit more to it than that, but in general, they can sign up. You can sign up businesses with this link. Now, next thing I want to show you, tab, is you're going to want to do your research. Once you fill out that form that I sent you, go to goldback.com, right? You do your research. Start scrolling down, but I want to go to the home. So when you get here, when you get to goldback.com, it's going to look like this. One Goldback currently $4.22. That's the value. So this, see that number, see that one right there on that Goldback down there? See that one right there, right there? That means this $4.22 will get you this one right here with the one on it. Now, take that $4.22 right there, you times it by 5, and that will get you this one, which means whatever that $4.22 is times 5, that's the value of this one. That's how many goods and that's the how much goods and services it will buy you. Next, the $10 one, you take that $4. I just learned this today, so I'm pretty excited about it. I've been knowing about Goldbacks for about a month now, and I'm just now figuring this out. after purchasing Goldbacks. Now, this $10 one right here, you see that 10? You see that 10 right there? You take $4.22, you times it by 10, that gets you one of these. So whatever that $4.22 right there times 10 will buy you that many goods with this $10. It's not a $10 Goldback, it just has a 10 on it. You'll figure it out. Now, where exactly can you use these Goldbacks? Well, go here on goldback.com. You go to featured businesses, click there. You select a state: Utah, Nevada, New Hampshire, South Dakota, Wyoming. Those are the current states that are currently using Goldbacks. A slew of other states are coming on board. So let's say you live in California. Well, the closest state to you would be Nevada. Click on Nevada. You're taking a road trip to Nevada with the wife and kids, or with some friends, some college buddies, girlfriends, boyfriends, whatever. You're taking a trip to Vegas. You get to Vegas, you drive all that way. Your car is, the engine's knocking, the wheel's about to fall off, but you made it. You need to go to the Nevada Auto. You need to go somewhere in Las Vegas where you can get your car looked at, maybe a oil change, check up, new engine, flat tire because you failed to check the tires before you left, and your wife's pissed off because you didn't check the car and you just left, jumped in, and took the kids and risked everybody's life. But anyway, you make it to Vegas. Here it is. Go get your tune up, get your car fixed, get the wheels put back on, and you're down the road again. They accept Goldbacks. These are all the businesses in Las Vegas area. You want a massage after that long, stressful road trip with the wife and kids, or with the friends who were not being who you thought they would be on the trip. Now you need a massage. You can go here and use your Goldbacks there. All these businesses currently accept Goldbacks. Welcome to the new financial system. Once the dollar may not be any more useful, gold will always be useful. Now, next tab here. All right, Alpine Gold, right here in Utah, place where I get my Goldbacks. You want to go to the website. There it is. There's a storefront. That's where I got mine at. Alpine Gold. You scroll down, do your research. I recommend you do your own research. Now, in that email that I sent you, you're gonna see something like this. Let me show you right quick. Let me show you. I gotta get rid of this. There's something in my way, and I'm not able to move it out of the way. Okay, there it goes. Now I'm able to move it out of the way. Now, click on this tab. In your email at the bottom, it'll say, there's be highlighted, it'll say Goldback resources. You're gonna find this document, YouTube channels, all the you can go down the rabbit hole as deep as you want to on your own research into Goldbacks and why you need to have them in your pocket. No matter if you live in California or Kalamazoo, you need to get Goldbacks in your pocket now. Start transacting with them now. You can give them as gifts to the birthday girl, the birthday boy. People love to receive these as gifts. You can purchase one for $4.33 for the $1 Goldback. Next, I want to show you, there's a major exchange called JM Bullion. They have Goldbacks for sale, just to show you that it is legit. One of the major exchanges are selling these, and there's several major exchanges selling these currently. Just wanted to share that. So doing your research, you'll be figuring out what other exchanges sell these. Now, go on ahead and fill out the form. If you found this video helpful, if you're watching on YouTube on your phone, which I told you not to watch it on your phone, but you're hard-headed and you're still watching it on your phone anyway, just watch it on the computer later, or your tablet or your iPad later, a bigger screen. So go on ahead and fill this out. Leave a comment in this video. Make sure you like it, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be loading a ton more content on this channel that is going to be impactful to you, life-changing. Just wait and see. Subscribe. telling you, it doesn't look like much now, but subscribe. Fill out the form, set up your account, get out of the system. Barry Solomon, aka Solo One. Thanks for watching. Again, leave a comment below this video. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, because YouTube's algorithms and spiders love to crawl the content, make sure that people are engaging, and that brings up the algorithm, which brings up the channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you for your support. God bless America.